You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers markets news and trading signals from experts. I'm Jessie Wang. First, US dollar. The dollar fell on Monday after a drop in factory orders and data showing a slowdown in New York fuel speculating of more quantitative easings. The greenback fell to 1.2498 against the euro and 78.36 versus the yen. Today's data include the ISM non-manufacturing index, which is expected to remain unchanged. Next to the euro recovered on hopes of new measures to help combat the crisis, whilst employment data from Spain also show a small but symbolic rise in hiring. The single currency ended the day at 97.91 to the yen and 0.8124 to the pound. Today see the release of Eurozone's PMIs for the non-manufacturing sector. British pound. The pound strengthened on Monday on rising risk appetite ahead of the G7 conference call today, which is expected to yield new policy measures to combat the crisis. Sterling ended the day trading at 1.5382 to the dollar and 120.50 to the yen. The British Retail Consortium share price index headlined the economy's dockets today. Japanese yen. The yen weakened on Monday despite less dovish rhetoric from the Bank of Japan after risk aversions fell on hopes that the world leader might be able to find measures to alleviate the Europe debts problem. The yen ended the day at 78.36 to the dollar and 97.91 to the euros. Tonight see the release of data on bankruptcy, which had previously been falling. And now the section you've been waiting for, Markets Tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provide you daily trading signals from experts of the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.245 with 1.2545 and 1.2575 inside. The downside penetrations are 1.244, which will call for 1.2385 and 1.2355. If we trade British pounds against US dollar, our preference is to long positions above 1.5425 with 1.533 and 1.527 as next targets. The downside breakdowns are 1.5435, which will open the way to 1.5485 and 1.5525. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long positions above 78.4 with 77.9 and 77.6 inside. The downside penetrations are 78.4, which will call for 78.7 and 79.1. Good luck and happy tradings. Tune in tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Jessie Wang and you've been watching Markets for You.